Okay guys, what's up? It's I got an Airsoft unboxing. It's the Tactical M4 Assault Rifle by Black Ops. It's 420 FPS. It has semi and auto. Comes with a 4-volt battery, which I would get a higher volt battery. 300 round mag. Electric blowback. It has adjustable stock, full metal gearbox. I think some of it's metal, and it comes with 6-inch guardrails and a 14-inch barrel. We're going to start the small stuff. First, I got .20 gram BBs, 6 millimeters. There's 2,000 here. I paid $4.97 for them. And I got this for my holster. It is the Crossman Elite shoulder holster I got for my gun instead of holding it on my hip. Comes with the mag holster and 2 spare mags, which I'll probably put CO2 in. It's for my Black Ops 1911. And it comes with shoulder pads so it doesn't hurt after a while, because when you are running around the field, it does hurt. Now let's get to the box. I got my knife here. I think there's only 3 pieces of tape yet to cut here. It was $9.97 or $99.97 at Walmart. I had this gun before. They did make some changes. Like, it didn't have this. It came with a carrying handle, and the stock was different. But and with this gun, there's going to be some problems. I'm trying to pull this out. Okay. So that's the box right there. Cardboard. Nova, come here. Move up. So here's your warranty in case the gun breaks. A little pamphlet, how to work the gun. Some of their other guns and equipment, grenades, slings, mags, guns. Now it comes with BBs, a high cap mag, 6-volt unjamming rod, and the gun, adjustable stock, all metal, plastic, adjustable sight, which I will get an regular sight for it. There will be a shooting test really soon for this gun. One thing I recommend is throwing this out and getting a smart charger for like 15 bucks, because the smart charger, this takes like 8 hours to charge. The smart charger takes 2 hours. It tells you when it's done, and these can cause fires. So get a smart charger. Your 9-volt battery, which I will get a bigger battery and an extra battery. The high cap mag, 300 round high cap. People do have problems with these, so I am going to get a bunch of them. And your jamming rod. So that's basically it. So that's everything you're going to get. Okay, see you.